Hi, Kipsters. So today you are taking the grammar assessment. All right. In order to do that, we need to go to Clever and click the Illuminate Student Portal. It's one of your favorites, so it should be right at the top. Once you click that, remember to scroll down and you'll see the red sign in with Google button. Click that. It'll bring you to Illuminate and it'll give you two options: continue to portal or take assessment. We're here to take the grammar assessment, so click take assessment. Then you are going to click writing grammar assessment number 2. Today we are taking the 5 writing grammar assessment number 2. Click that. All right. Once you click it, you'll see that it tells you the due date, all right, and how many questions are there. Yours won't say time started. I've done this example with Nordo's account already, so hers looks as if she started. Over here, it'll say begin test. Click that. Make sure that you read the directions and then read the passage. There are 12 total questions. Some of the questions are based on this passage. Some of the questions are not. Every time you answer a question, make sure you go over on the right side and bubble in whichever choice you chose. Before you click Finish Test, make sure you double check your answers and let me know that you are about to submit. You got this. Do your absolute best. Good luck.